Everyone knows to be a hardcore Jeep guy or gal, you need to have all the coolest accessories, light bars, winches, and everything to make you stand out on the trail. But what you don't know is that you need a stronger alternator to support your battery and to keep you on that trail. That's where Tuff Stuff Performance comes in with their new Tuff Mudder series of alternators for 2007 to 2018 Jeep JKs. These are all new, not remanufactured parts and are a direct bolt-in and plug-in application for your Jeep. They also come in a wrinkle black or an army green and can produce either 175 amps or 250 amps depending on the part number and what you need for your vehicle. Check out these alternators and a bunch of other awesome parts for your classic muscle car, truck, or other vehicle at tuffstuffperformance.com.